pizza is way better than Papa John's.
Chicken feet.
Mom gets a 10 mil. More than Mr. Beast.
So today I'm making birthday party food for my twin girls. They are turning 11. Making 4 things. One fruit plate I'm just gonna cut up later. First thing I'm gonna do is an Asian egg sandwich. My kids love this in the camp. I'm gonna make again for their friends. Second one I'm making is lemon chicken. Legs and wings. Cook in the air fryer. And very easy. And third one, mini pizza.
That pizza is way better than Papa John's.
So let's start with the sandwich. Little special wrapping for the kids. Will be very cute. Hope they love this. Going to boil the eggs first. Eggs in. Turn on the fire. Bring a boil. Then I cook another 6 minutes. It'll be perfect eggs. First, I chop some cucumbers into little cubes and apples. The apples really add some crunchiness and sweetness in the sandwiches. Next, I mash some hard-boiled eggs. Those cook perfectly after 6 minutes. And this is so therapeutic. But also, you can chop them too. Imitation crab, they are actually says fish cake on the packaging. You can easily get them from Asian market. A little bit salt and pepper. Of course, Japanese mayonnaise brings out a lot of flavor. They mix everything together. This egg and imitation crab layer is done. Next, we're making the salad. Put all the chopped fruit. Add some corn mixed with Japanese mayonnaise. So this you can actually just eat as a salad dish. The sandwich, first I use this milk bread and I cut the edges. You don't have to. First layer is the salad and the second layer is strawberry jam. This is the soul of the sandwich or any fruit jam you like. And the last layer is the egg and crab. Cut it open in the middle. If you keep the crust, adds a little bit texture. I cut the crust a little softer. I've got these really cute boxes. You can just slide them in. Also, you wrap with a clear plastic wrap. The kids are easy to take to school. Now we are moving on to next one. Number 2, lemon chicken wings and chicken big legs. Marinate at least 2 hours, but you can marinate it the day before, save some time. Here I use both light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. Both, adds flavor, but the dark soy sauce adds a color. And oyster sauce, of course, honey. This adds a sweetness and a shininess. After I add some Chinese cooking wine, then it's massage time. My chicken and meat, any meat get massages, not my husband. Now we cover with plastic wrap and then sit on the fridge for 2 hours, or you can do it overnight. After I marinate it for 2 hours, chicken's ready. Now we're gonna put it in the air fryer. Let's cut up some lemons first. Those are put underneath the chicken. There's no requirement how many lemons you need to put underneath. Just use my Chinese eyeballs or your eyeballs. The lemons really helps the flavor and also tenderize the chicken as well. If you can smell right now, I can smell it. So good. Ready to the air fryer. 356. For 15 minutes, look at that. Then after 15 minutes, turn the other side. We're gonna air fry other side for another 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna start packing for the party. These disposable box with the lid. Really perfect for chicken or any meat or even cakes. Put a piece of the lemon on top as a garnish. They are so tender and juicy, so easy for kids. Just pull them apart. You don't even need chopsticks or fork. Nice. Finally, last one is mini pizza. Today I'm making pepperoni and pineapple and ham. I know some of you don't like a pineapple on the pizza. Comment below, let me know. You feel like I love pineapple and ham, so this one's for me. Pepperoni is for you. This recipe you can also use for a big pizza. I'm just making little ones. So for kids, it's easy to pick up and I don't have to cut. I use this high gluten Chinese brand flour, but you can use any brand flour. Then add yeast, and sugar, little bit salt. Then I mix the dry ingredients together, then gradually add warm water. So warm water can really activate the yeast. Then after a little mixing, we add some olive oil. For some of you, if you don't like any exercise on your arm and hands, you can use the stand mixer, then mix until this very smooth dough. Then don't forget brush some olive oil, then rest the dough in there, cover it up on the side. This on the side for 40 minutes, double in size. Then get some flour on the surface. We punch the dough, punch. I should punch. Ooh, so soft. Let's take it out. Then we knead the dough. Those are ready. You can roll it out, make a one big giant pizza. I am gonna divide it in little pizzas. For the kids' party, I just divide the dough into little pizzas. And on my YouTube channel, I have another pizza video. Surprise my husband, the same recipe, but I made it into heart shape. Deliver to his hospital as a Valentine's Day surprise. There's a link down below. So you can use the basic dough recipe for any pizza, any topping. I put on the wax paper. It's very easy to take it off later. Don't forget, poke some holes so they won't bubble up. And I brush some more olive oil before I put the topping on. You can use any pizza sauce from the store or make your own. Today, I'm in such a big hurry. I have this organic pizza sauce. I just put on. Next, put pepperoni or any sausage or meat you like. Sprinkle some mozzarella cheese. I personally really love the pineapple ham on my pizza. But a lot of people don't agree about pineapple shouldn't be on pizza. However, I'm still putting this pineapple on, and this is fresh cut pineapple. Fresh one's always better. Put in the oven 425 for 15 minutes. Timer's on. Pizza's ready. Let's check. So hot. Got it. Look at this. Smells so good. Ooh. Here. Got these containers. Is that? Ooh, it's hot. Perfect for pizza. All right. Put 3. Put the lid on. Now everything's packed. Yeah, I'm gonna load the car, ready to go. Whoa, look how much stuff I have in this cart right here, okay? See you at the cabin. So now we're at the cabin. I'm gonna set up the food. Only thing I need to do is do a food plate. The kids will be here after horseback riding. Dragon fruit and 桂圆. All of my kids' friends never had dragon fruit, so I got the red one. Some is white, but the red one looks really nice. And this fruit in Chinese called 桂圆. Is it English? Is it a long line? I can't even pronounce it in English. Now I'm setting up the brunch here. Also, I brought these Asian snacks. I want to see those American kids if they gonna even try those, and they never had this before. Shrimp chips. So many Lay's chips, but different flavor. This one is spicy breeze duck tongue. What do you think that? Duck tongue, yeah. Lemon breeze the chicken feet. Chicken feet. Chicken feet, yeah. Of course, this is a seaweed my kids like. I don't know if other kids like. And the seaweed flavor Lay's. Oh, so bright, this tablecloth, right? I like your outfit today.
Got my Disney hat.
Disney hat, what's this?
I got my This Is My Happy Face.
Yeah, this is my happy face. Chicken feet flavor. Alright, chicken feet. How's that? So yummy. No? Ella, try one.
Why does it actually taste good though?
Yeah, chicken feet is good. Oh, your chicken feet flavor? How's that? Good, okay, you like it, you like it. No? How's the chicken feet Lay's?
I like them. It's in the middle.
Middle, okay. Daniela, how's that? Tastes like what? What's it taste like? Tofu, okay. So now he's gonna try the duck tongue.
It's good.
Good? What about you?
I don't want to eat it.
No?
No, it's a duck tongue. That's gross.
That's just chips.
Let's see.
Michael,
With the camera.
how's that? Oh, you like it? Okay. It's okay?
I can't really explain what it tastes like. It doesn't taste bad, but it doesn't taste really good.
Grace, it tastes duck tongue? How's that?
It's not as bad as I think it was.
Does it taste like Lay's?
Kind of. Yes.
Oh, you love the seaweed?
I'm scared. I've never
Show me
tried
which
seaweed.
one package you try. That. Right, that. Crunchy seaweed, yeah.
It's delicious. Why?
It tastes like salmon.
Tastes like a salmon. You never had seaweed first time?
Yeah.
Oh my god, first time ever. How's seaweed? Toasted.
It's good.
Yeah.
That's probably the best.
You like seaweed? Oh.
I
Try the. You like it? Oh, everybody loves seaweed. Huh? You like it? Everybody? How about Paris?
Seaweed chips. Am I the only one? My favorite one's like
No? Here, fruit plate here. Let's play. So you guys gotta try some exotic fruit.
Yay! Is that dry? I don't hate it. I just didn't like the one. I want to try. I haven't tried the purple one. I have not tried the purple one. I want to try dragon fruit. That sounds good.
Look at that one.
Dragon fruit might be good. I have a spoon. I personally.
Take it, take it.
Tastes like a kiwi.
Pepperoni, and this is a pineapple. Pineapple and ham. Do you think a pineapple should be on the pizza?
No.
No? What do you mean? Yeah.
I know I tried the pink, the white one, but I'm gonna try the pink one. I want to know what they almost no flavor.
No flavor? Oh. Try
I
it.
always wanted to try the red one.
How's that?
Kiwi, right? It doesn't taste like kiwi.
Almost no flavor.
Okay, see your review of the sandwich.
I'm easy to please.
Yeah.
So excited about this.
Okay, so there are eggs, apple, cucumbers, and like a fish cake.
Very good.
Good? Mm.
We need that.
Oh my god, it's hard. But
I can subscribe. That pizza is way better than Papa John's.
Thank you. So this pizza is better than you ever had at Papa John's? Thank you. Thank you. Oh yeah, yeah. You're like a rock star. Yeah.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe and check the recipe down in the description. Yeah.
We help CookingBomb get to 10 mil.
10 mil! Yes, right, Michael?
Yeah.
Help get it to Oh, more than Mr. Beast, yes.
Yes, more than Mr. Beast. Get more
Yeah.
than Mr. Beast. That's our
Yeah.
challenge. Subscribe.
Subscribe, yes, thank you. How do you say so delicious in Spanish?
que bueno.
Bueno.
Favorite so far is the sandwich.
Sandwich.
I'm on my second.
Oh, you're second, okay. And do you like the chicken?
I like, yeah. It's good. I've been actually watching your channel for like 2 months.
Oh, thank you. Did you learn any cooking?
When I see your channel, I'm gonna practice and subscribe.
Okay, yes, thank you. Do they still have room for cake? Happy birthday to you.
I want rainbow cake, please. What? Okay, maybe I'll have.
What are you having?
Make sure to get CookingBomb
This
for
one?
10 mil.
Yes, thank you, Michael. You're getting the fruit one, huh? Let's see.
Yeah, it's rainbow. You want it anyway?
Good? You're eating the rainbow. Let's see, rainbow first. Whoa,
Yep.
okay.
Yeah, one more. Give you a little piece. You want this one?
Rainbow.
I'll give you a separate.
I think pepper on cake, but you can't have cake.
There, everyone's got a piece.
Who wants vanilla?
Yeah.